What's up, baddies? Welcome back to my channel. My name is JaiDoesIt, and today we are back with a July 2021 Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unboxing. So if you'd like to see what I got this month, stay tuned and make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and while you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss my next videos, okay? Period. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription box. You could choose between the Glam Bag, which is 5 mini versions of the products, basically like samples, and you can get that for $12 a month. Or you can do the Glam Bag Plus, which is 5 deluxe like full-size products, and that is $25 a month. It says, this month everything you touch is turning to gold. What's that? Facts? Okay. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. Welcome to your July Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. We've packed them with products for gold medal worthy beauty moments, from gleaming skin to gilded eye looks and more. Plus, there's an extra special gift from us to you. A custom au soleil beach sarong for fun days in the sun. Ooh, period. So I'm gonna start off with the small Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is what the bag looks like, and this is actually like a really pretty bag. I'm saying actually like they're usually ugly, but this is like a really pretty bag. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like it has some texture to it, and it like kind of like it's like goldy. It's like not just a flat gold, you know. The texture makes it pop. It has this blue trimming on the zipper and the sun looking thing for the actual zipper. It's so cute. It says stay golden right here on the front. Okay, so let's get into these products. Okay, so in the regular Glam Bag, the first thing I have is this KVD cake pencil. It says it's an intensely rich longwear eyeliner, and this is in the shade Trooper Black 10. It's real small, it's retractable, and it's just a black gel like eye pencil. And I hope I did say KVD right. I didn't say the name. Ciao. Okay, so that's that. And then next we have this Hip Dot blush. It's a bit pale for my own taste. I think I'm gonna give this away, so I don't want to swatch it because I don't think I'll be using this. But this is in the shade Red Moon. It looks more like a pastel-y pink. So that's the next thing in here. We also have this Pores Be Gone matte primer from First Aid Beauty. I'm excited to try this. I do like their, which one is it? Is it the Coconut Smoothie Skin Smoothing Primer? It's a long title, but I really like that primer. So I think this will be pretty interesting to try out for the summertime since it's a matte primer. But it's so tiny, but you know, we could probably get we can get like 4 or 5 uses out of this. 3-4 uses out of this. The next thing we have is this Nomad, and this I think is a single eyeshadow, and this is in the shade, oh, the shade must be Cartagena Magica. Cartagena. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. It says it's a fantastically soft shimmer honey gold eyeshadow with extra fine pigments infused with rosehip oil for magical color payoff. It's cruelty free and vegan, free of all that stuff. Oh my god, this is real small. This was like, well, I can't compare it to the primer because this is a circle, but this is super tiny. I don't know if y'all can see it. I want to show y'all how small it is. It's like so tiny, but it's a really cute gold eyeshadow. It looks really sparkly. I kind of want to swatch this, but I have way more than enough gold eyeshadow, especially single ones that I've already dug into. So I think I want to give that away also. And the next thing that we have is this Briogeo Superfoods hair mask. And this is the Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture hair mask. I'm excited to try this. Once again, I've tried their hair products and I really liked it. So that should be also good. And you guys, I think we have gotten through the whole regular Glam Bag. There was some goodies in here. I feel like I'm kind of more excited for the bag more than what's inside, because this is like a cute bag. Like I like to put cute bags like this to like store like little stuff in and put it inside of my purse or like my book bag so that I won't just have everything running around everywhere. Okay, so this bag is from my first Ipsy. This is the first Ipsy I ever got, and this was like probably like over 3-4 years ago, maybe 5 years. Maybe 3-4, maybe I'm being dramatic. No, I think it's maybe 5 years. I keep this in my purse, and all I keep in here is just like, let me show you guys, my favorite lip glosses. Oop. My favorite lip glosses. That's like, I just keep them all in there. So all my lip glosses are in one spot. And that's like one of the things I love about Ipsy. These bags are so repurposeful. And then I also gave my mom one to do the same thing, and she just raved to me about it the other day. Literally, she's like, I love that bag, I keep my lipsticks in. And I'm like, yes. I like literally hand them out. You get a bag, you get an Ipsy bag, you get an Ipsy bag. This is the next bag for the Glam Bag Plus. As you can see, it has the sun in the middle, the Stay Golden. It's a white canvasy, might not even be canvas, it feels canvasy type bag with the teal drawstrings. This is a cute bag. I just wish it was in the format of the other bag, like with the zipper, like maybe long ways, and with the zipper I feel like that would be more useful. Okay, let's get into this bag. Okay, the first thing that we have are these MOTD, I'm guessing makeup of the day brushes, and I got 3 brushes in here. One is a Supermodel Sculpt brush, a Get Cheeky With It brush. What does the other one say? Gold Gem Bronzer blush. These look exciting. So this is the first thing we got. Second thing we got, so is this a full-size bottle? I guess so. This is a limited edition vitamin C night moisturizer, and this is from the brand Dr. Eve Youth. Is the R silent? R Youth? Eve Youth. Well, this is what she looks like, but that's what this is, and I do think I want to use this. Surprised it says it's a night moisturizer. I typically like to wear my vitamin C in the daytime because it's like an antioxidant, so it does help fight off the free radicals that are coming to your face and you don't even know it. Okay, but I'm gonna try it out. So it smells really good. It reminds me of the, okay, so about this brand, it reminds me of the, I say Ole Henriksen, but I hear a lot of other people say Ulla Henriksen. I don't know, but it reminds me of the vitamin C, their creams, the vitamin C creams, not the banana under eye. I guess it's the vitamin C dark spot cream or something. That's what it smells like. It smells really nice. I can't wait to use this. Okay, so I'm really excited about that. So next up, I have this Il Makiage mascara. This is called Black Card, and it says that this mascara lifts, curls, and lengthens, and this is what she looks like. And I think that that's really ironic because I literally just used their other mascara. This is their Icon mascara, and it says that this one, it's high volume and it is an intense curl. I really like the wand on that brush, so I think I'm gonna like something about that mascara. So I'm excited to see what that one is talking about. Okay, so next up I have these Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks from Wander Beauty. Everything, I feel like I've tried most of these products out, or most of these brands out. I have tried out these gold masks from them. I think I had a sample size because it literally only had one in there. I don't know if I got just a travel or if I just got one at that time. And this one comes with 6 pairs, so that's 6 different eye treatments, which is a plus. So yes, we got this. So I'm excited that I have this. Last but not least, we have this Artist Couture lip oil. I knew I wasn't tripping. Okay, so I was trying to look for the name and I looked at the bottom and I accidentally saw this. And I was like, that's weird that they put that on a lip oil, but I think that might be the name of this lip oil. And it's not even what it was. That was funny. I like that. So the DSL doesn't even stand for what I was thinking it stands for. On this lip gloss, it says it's for delicious silky lips. I know that's right. So this is what she looks like. It's like a sheer pinky color. Yes, we need that. We need that to keep my lips all nice and juicy. I think out of the Glam Bag Plus, my favorite items were the eye mask, the lip oil, and the vitamin C moisturizer. In total, all of the products that I received this month was worth this, which is definitely a win-win situation. Yeah, you're not losing. I definitely think that this is really exciting, and it introduces you to like a whole new field of products that you never knew about. So I also received another product from their Refreshments brand, and this is the Pillowy Shave Cream in the scent Citrus Spritz. Once again, I still use it. Literally, I used it like 2 days ago. I like it. It smells really good. It smells real clean because of the citrus. So yeah, they're not that expensive and their quality is not like it's trash. But on the back of my card, it says that they have a new dazzling 5-blade razor. I wonder if this is a new razor. I do have one of their other razors. This is the handle for it. I took the blade off because I thought that would be kind of weird bringing the blade on camera. But the other razor is 5 blades, so I don't know if they released a new one according to this. Oh, this says it has a weighted handle, magnetic hanger. Oh, it's a whole new razor. Okay, so I'm excited to try that out. Also, I'm gonna have to go pick that up because I didn't get it in this package, but I would love to try it out because as y'all can see, I still use the shaving cream and the razor from this company. Like, I'm being so serious. Like, that razor, baby booty smooth, okay? And that shaving cream, top tier. So y'all need to check out Refreshments and then also check out Ipsy. Hi, so it's me back from the mini future. Kinda. Okay, so I realized I forgot to show you guys. Did you guys forget? I said that they gave us a little... She didn't know how to interrupt me like that. They gave us like a little gift. Not a little gift, a gift, right? So I forgot to show y'all what it is. I think this is from the company Au Soleil. And they gave us a sarong. And this is like a beach cover-up. It's like a cream / off-white color. Really cute. Really nice breathable material. Yes, and it's really wide. Like, I know it's gonna be so cute on me. So that's what this is. So I'm excited. I need to be on somebody's beach right about now. Yes, I'm so excited. I love little gifts. Like, they make me so excited. So this is her, ladies and gentlemen, her. So this is her. This is really cute and it's perfect for the summertime. Okay, and I got a little card that says, we hope you love this also Lil and Ipsy sarong as much as we loved creating it. These grew out of a desire to make a chic wearable cover up for any adventure under the sun. We believe our sarongs can elevate any beach look while making you feel comfortable and confident at the same time. Happy sunning. Oh, that was nice. P.S. Enjoy 15% off with the code Ipsy throughout the end of July. So I just came back to show y'all that because I forgot to and I didn't want to be like that. Okay. Bye. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you guys leave me a thumbs up. That'll really help me out. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my next videos. Okay? Until next time, baddies. Bye.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. But I was counting up like last week. Tell me, where have you been? You came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan.